friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll share with you guys an easy dessert recipe which can be prepared with minimum items in a minimum span of time. The recipe is of chocolate balls. So now let's start. What's required to make chocolate balls are powdered biscuit of your choice, cocoa powder, condensed milk, 2 to 3 spoons of milk and sprinkles of your choice.